All right, today's real estate word of the day is principal. More specifically, your mortgage principal. This refers to the actual amount of the loan that you were responsible for paying back when you borrow money from a lender. Now, lenders are smart and they want to make money off of the amounts that we borrow from them to buy real estate, to buy cars, and other big ticket items. So they're also going to couple that with interest to make money off of a loan that we get. So when you have a monthly payment, you're going to see both principal and interest on the loan. Let me give you an example. With your mortgage, typically when you're taking out a mortgage, most borrowers are going to get 30 years, in some cases 20, or even as low as 10 or 15 years to pay it back. And the monthly payments, as you look at them, will be spread out over several years, with a large chunk at the beginning going towards interest. And then on the back end over time, more of it will go towards the actual loan itself of the principal. You also will see similar structure for car notes and other big ticket items. If you're rich enough to buy boats and planes, I'm sure that those are structured similarly as well. Now, the point of doing this is so that the bank or the lender can get money for for allowing you to borrow from them, but it's also to assess the borrower's risk level or your credit profile. If you have poor credit or you're a new borrower, you're probably going to get charged a higher interest because it's a higher risk to lend you a set of money towards buying a piece of real estate. If you have great credit, you're seasoned in your credit profile, obviously the interest rate can be much lower. The point of this for you as the borrower, though, is to utilize this to your advantage, knowing that it's front loaded with interest over several years. If you need it for cash flow purposes, you can just make the minimum payments every month until you're at a place where you can be more aggressive, double the payments, add an extra $100 to the payment. Even little things like that will shorten the amount of time you have the loan and help you get towards the principal part of the loan and pay it off faster. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me, share this with friends and family, and we'll talk to you again soon.